Today I'm going to talk about an app, if that's the right word, called Samsung Good Lock. It's only for Samsung phones, so if you're watching this, you may want to miss this part, unless you want to see what else Samsung does offer. And here's my young lady here, to stand on your feet. Look at that, give her a little wave. She's doing the filming today. Excellent, thank you. Excellent news. Right, so what does it do? It enables you to do loads and loads of customization on your phone. Now, for those of us who live outside America and maybe one other country, Samsung, in their ultimate wisdom, which is really annoying, Samsung, if you could hear this, really annoying, have decided to lock us out of it. We cannot get it. In most of the world, 95% of the world cannot. I believe they can in Korea, which is their home country, and America. The most everywhere else, no. Now you can go to a third-party app store and download it, or you could buy it from the Android Google Play Store, a similar app. But I'm going to show you today how to get it directly from Samsung, so it's completely okay, so to speak, and you'll get updates this way. It's very easy to do if you follow the instructions, but I will add a disclaimer. If it goes wrong, down to you. So what else does it do? Let me just show you a little bit before we go into details how to download it. It offers you, I call them modules, because once you've downloaded Good Lock, you'll have an option to download about 10 or more different modules. Each module allows you to do certain other things. Like, if there's enough demand on my comments, I will do another video explaining what each one of these two do. But the ones I like is the task changer. So when you look at all your running apps, you can see them in many different styles. It's really good. It gives you about 10 different styles. And the other one I like is Notice Star. So on your lock screen, you can have all your notifications from all your different apps of your choice, not all of them. You can have all your apps, but you can choose the ones you want, and it tells you which app the notification comes from. You tap it, takes you straight to the app. Very, very good. Now, the clock face I have not downloaded. That's why you're not seeing the briefcase or whatever it is. But only because I'm happy with the clock, and it gives you another 20 clock faces. Then you can go to the family and download some more apps that complement all this. And unfortunately, because many of us are now homebound and we have a bit more time, you'll be able to play with your phone and customize it to maybe another 2 days' work. Really, a lot of fun, I'll be honest. Do you need this app? Is it add to your productivity? Absolutely not. Absolutely no way. But if you like to customize your phone, this is the app to have. It just does so much. As I mentioned earlier, it works with, I think, from the S7 upwards, but definitely from the S8, Note 8, all the way up to the 10, 10 Plus, and the 20. I will add a disclaimer if it goes wrong, down to you, but there's no way in the world should this go wrong. If you're not a techie, I would advise not to do it. It's not essential. But for those who have the Note 10 or the Note 9 or even the Note 8, which I've got it on my Note 8 and my Note 10, the people that bought the Note, generally speaking, like to mess around with their devices, so it's a great app for that. So now, let me explain exactly what you do step by step. First thing you're going to need is a VPN application. I use VPN Monster, it's free. But I believe any VPN would work. Open up, what you will do in a minute, you'll open it up and choose America as if you are being based in America. In other words, it tricks the system as to, Samsung believes you're in America. Amazing we have to do this. It's so annoying, by the way. Samsung, very annoying. Okay, so you need a VPN. Next thing you got to do, you're going to go to the Samsung, it's called the Galaxy Store. It's part of Samsung. It's their own Play Store, but it's called the Galaxy Store. It's on every Samsung phone. You're going to find that. I'll add a little video at the end as to what you do here, but for those who are a bit more knowledgeable, you press your finger on the icon, Galaxy Store, and then you're going to get a few little things that come up. You're going to clear the cache and clear the data. Don't worry, you won't lose any information or any apps or anything else. Okay, so you've done that. Next thing you do is turn off your location. Those 3 things. VPN that allows you to go to America. Galaxy Store, you're going to clean the cache and the data and get rid of your location. Turn off your location. Next, with me so far, good. You then turn off your phone, take out your SIM tray, take out your SIM card. The SIM card, for those who don't know, that's the card that gives you your telephone service. Take that out, put the SIM card back in. Now, we've all opened up your VPN straight away, go to America, pretend you're in America by changing those settings. Make sure your location is not turned on at the top. Make sure that's turned off. Once your VPN is on, then you go to the Galaxy Store. Galaxy, not the Play Store, Galaxy Store. Then you type in the word good luck, 2 words, it will come up. Hooray, if you got this far, well done, proud of you. And if you got this far, you can subscribe to my channel. And you can press a like. If you haven't got this far, don't press a dislike, just press a like anyway. But you can ask me why, and I'm happy to help anyone anywhere in the world. Just send me a note, a comment. So now you've got good luck. Then you have to press the modules. That's probably the best way. You're going to get this, when you open it, you're going to get this. But they're all going to look like this one. They're going to have no little gift bag underneath it. So choose the ones, I just mess around, choose them all. They don't take up any battery that I can see. And download all of them. Once they're downloaded, you'll notice you're going to get this. Okay? Then, once you've downloaded all of them, I would then go to, at the bottom, you'll find something called Family. Download some of those. There's some more extras, great ones. A navigation bar that works on the side, very good actually. And you get a sound settings that's really good. Customize your sound even more, your Bluetooth and so on. So download all of them. Once you've downloaded them, then you install each one. Okay, tap on it, press install, open it up, open up all the ones you've installed. Once you've opened up, you don't have to mess around with them, just open them up, because that puts in the final little bit of installation. Once you've done that, you're clear with me so far? Turn off your phone. Put the SIM card back in, turn on your phone. The VPN should be turned off. If not, just turn it off and go back. You should have an icon on you as well now that says good luck. Tap on it and all those should be there. You just tap the one you want and mess around as much as you want. It should be that easy, that simple. What else can I say? I mean, I hope you really enjoyed it. I probably won't hear from you for the next few days. You'll be too busy messing around with all this stuff. But it's a nice thing that Samsung's offered, but I have no idea why they made it so difficult and we can't get it for free worldwide. It's wrong, frankly. Okay, so if you enjoyed the channel, please subscribe, press the like, it really helps. Join in the conversation, add your notes, comments, tell me if it did work. That's really important. So I know I never wasted my time doing this. And if you didn't want to download it, let me know why. Any problems downloading it, let me know. I'm happy to help. And in these days, at the time of filming this, wash your hands and be safe. Okay. Right. Okay, find your Galaxy Store. Your phone may look slightly different. I'm using Nova Launcher, and it may also look different because you might have slightly different software to mine. But find the Galaxy Store, keep your finger pressed on the icon, and I've got something that says an I, but you're going to get something similar, if not the same. Then you go to storage, clear the cache, and clear the data. That's it.